All right, great stuff. So today's session is going to be a little different session. Today's session is going to be a little important session from a point of view that today's session is not talking about a training program, but it is talking about a product. So, you have different things which we offer to our students. So we have training programs, we have self improvement and life programs, which is called effectiveness programs, and then we have products to be offered to our students. So the technical programs are stuff like Super Trader and Futures Masters and Ninja Trader, um, and Fast Forward Mentorship Program. Then life improvement programs a little bit more about Fast Forward Mentorship Program, master classes, and a lot of TIP comes into that kind of play. Also, programs like Altis, which will help you to become a lot more better with your money, or a program like Fire, which will help you to become a lot more better with your money. And then finally, we have products. Now, in the products category, we have tips. So you have TC Traders Club and IMP and Automatic, which is stock SIP, and then we have Fundu, which is about mutual funds, and then and then there we have ABC calls, which is for futures trading. So we have this entire product which is for consumables, and it is consumed by students. We also have two or three other programs. One is called as FMP, which is fully managed portfolio, where we take over your monies, we take over your portfolios, and we manage it according to the way we manage it, and we make money for you. So, what is your stake into it? You give us your accounts, you pay us our fees. What is our stake? We do everything else, so that you are relaxed and you make money. So that is an FMP. We also have another product called as Mid Cap Fund, which also works in the same manner, but that is targeted towards mid cap portfolios, mid cap and small cap portfolios. So there is a FMP and there's a mid cap. Now, while I was going through all this, I thought that there was also a need for a third program, and that is where this program comes in. Or this is a product which would help a general masses. This is a product which would help most of you guys out there. Which this is a program which which would immensely help for people who are putting their money typically into mutual funds, putting their money typically into fixed deposits, putting their money typically into index funds, or they are managing their own portfolios, stock portfolios for whatever reasons. So this is a product which will suffice that entire need, and honestly, there is a lot of money to be made there. So very quickly, I'm going to take about another 20-25 minutes to explain to you what this product is. Listen to this very carefully. Importantly, see whether this is going to help you. Importantly, see whether this will add value to your life. Importantly, see whether you can get something out of it. What is the net that you're getting out of it? Is it going to add value to your life? Is it going to change your life? Is it going to change your bank account? It is going to change your stress levels. Is it going to make you feel more wholesome and comfortable inside, more in control? If that is all is what is going to make you feel, then maybe this product is for you. Again, all products are not for everyone. So this may not be for certain few people. This may be for certain few people. That will also be discussed. But essentially, this is a product which I think a lot of people, a lot of you guys are going to be very happy about, and would really help you guys. So let me just go through this presentation, and after about 20-25 minutes is when we will take the question and answer. In between, I'm just going to go through the presentation. I'm not going to listen to your screen. So if you have any questions or doubts, ask me in the end. Listen to everything, understand everything, ask me in the end. Is that okay? All ready, everybody? All right, great stuff. So let's quickly start. So the name of this product is called as the Big Five, five custom investment styles. Okay, and that is for the next 5 years. So why do I say that? Why do I say the Big Five? Why do I say for the next 5 years? You will very quickly understand. So the question is, and I'm going to ask you these questions now. Uh, how serious are you about making money from your existing money? Now, all of you guys work very hard in your life. All of you guys work very hard. Going to your office, working for your bosses. Some of you guys managing your business. All of you guys are doing various other things and working very hard towards making money. But while that happens, after you have that money with you, My question to you is, how serious are you about your money making money for you? That is the question. Okay. So do you actually know someone who can help you doing that? So you are working very hard and very seriously towards making money. Once you make that money, either that money goes into spending some for somewhere or consuming or spending, or that money goes into building more money for you, right? So is your money which is going towards building more money for you working as hard as you are working for acquiring it in the first place? This is the question. And if you are serious and very serious about making money, then the question is, do you actually know someone who can help you? So do you know someone who can help you is the question. So the question is, who is managing your money? Like when you're putting your money into mutual funds, you have your fund managers, which is the first layer, and then actually the mutual fund managers. So do you know who is actually managing your money? Do you know who is your fund manager? Do you know what he does? Do you know how they're doing it? Do you know uh, who is your fund manager and what is actually happening with your money and what are they doing with it? And how much can you really trust them? And how can you trust someone when you don't even know who they are, right? How competent are they? Importantly, they're managing your portfolio, which is fine because they get a salary out of it. How big is their and their own portfolio, and how authentic is their own portfolio? Because finally, you are going to do the best for your own self. Yeah, you're doing it commercially is one part, but you do the best for your own self. So, how big is their own portfolio? Is a question. Do you know this? Can you actually depend, trust, and trust those people? And be calm and stress free when they are managing your portfolio. So if you are putting your money into mutual funds and the markets are going up and down and when the markets are crashing, are you really stress free and calm? Is the question you need to ask yourself. And if you are not, then maybe this presentation may be for you. Okay. So now let's very quickly see markets or Nifty as we call it. How much have they grown in last 5 years? How much have they grown in last 10 years? How much have they grown in last 15 years? Or importantly, how much are they going to be expected to grow in the next 5 years or 10 years or 15 years? Let's have a look, right? So what has been the past and what possibly could be the future? So very quickly, let me head over to Nifty. Nifty in 2003 was at 900 rupees. By 2011, it was 5,300. That's almost 6 times. Okay. By 2016 was 7,000. And by 2021 was at 15,000. So between 2016 and 2021, it has doubled. Between 2011 and 2021, it has tripled. So 5 to 15,000. 2003, which is about 17 or 18 years, to 2021, it has gone multiple number of times. Now the question is, during the same time, how much has your salary increased? How much is the jump in your salary? Has it gone up by 5%, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%? Again, all of us know that once we hit our mid levels in our life, or when you are towards middle age, your salary start going sideways. They don't really jump too much. So, has your investment reflected this kind of performance which you see in the markets? Also, has your salaries gone increasing? So if your salary is not going to go on increasing massively, means your potential of making money is not going to go up increasingly, which means you need to have a look at a secondary income. And it's high time that you become serious about your secondary income. So Nifty has moved from 900 to 15,000, 900 to 5,300 to 7,000 to 15,000. That's how much the growth in Nifty. Okay, now let's have a look at um, this is Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty in 2006 was at 4,800. Okay, by 2012 was at 10,000. 2016, 16,000. And 2021, 32,000. So for last 5 years, it has doubled. Here from 10,000, it has gone to 16,000. Here from 4,000, it has gone to 10,000. So in last 14 years, Nifty has gone from 4,000 to 32,000. The question is, have you made as much money there like the way Bank Nifty is? Now, the most importantly, to give you figures, Nifty In last 5 years has multiplied 2x. Last 10 years has multiplied 3x, and in last 15 years has multiplied 14x. And now let us understand what is expected by Nifty for the next 5 years. So in the next 5 years, from my estimation, I could be wrong or right, or it could be a little bit of change here and there. In the next 5 years, it is expected to grow at double the amount, which is 2x. In the next 10 years, it is expected to grow 4 times. And in the next 15 years, it is expected to grow 10 times. Okay. Okay. So these are the figures that we're looking at. Now, importantly, Nifty and the markets are going to go up, whether you benefit from it or not, whether you believe this or not, whether you participate in it or not, whether you make money or not. So whether you are a part of this and make money, or whether you are not a part of this and make money, markets will still go up. Please be very clear. So if you are smart, you will take advantage of it. If you are not smart, you will see markets passing you by, and you will tell your grandchildren that, you know what, I wish I would have invested there. Right? So don't be that person. So importantly, I'm throwing some figures now. Importantly, in last 20 years, while Nifty has gone up, so let me just show this to you. Nifty has gone up from 900 to 14,000 or 15,000 in last 18 years or so. But that has not been the case. So what is the internal story here? What is really the internal? The internal story is, in last 20 years, out of 50 stocks, so Nifty has 50 stocks. Out of 20 years, out of 50 stocks, Nifty has retained only 16 stocks, which means the rest of the stocks have all changed. In last 20 years, let it sink in. In last 20 years, out of 50 stocks, only 16 stocks have been there permanently. The rest of the stocks have all changed, which means if you have that thinking and thought process that you should only put it into index fund, then you are into big trouble. Or if you know how to select your own stocks, then you are into trouble. Because we will see this. Okay. So in last 50 years, there have been a lot of changes. So this is the stocks of Nifty which are not a part of Nifty anymore. These used to be a part of Nifty. So there's Indian Aluminium, Nagarjuna Fertilizer, Great Eastern Shipping Corporation of India, Arvind Mills, Arcom, R Infra, R Power, Suzlon, Coal India, Punjab National Bank, Sterlite, SAIL, Ranbaxy, MTNL, Idea, Bank of Baroda. So all of these are big companies, all of these are massive companies, these are giant companies. They used to be a part of Nifty, but they're not a part of Nifty anymore. And let us try to have a look at why they are not a part of Nifty. So let's have a look. Okay. So these, I'm just going to show you the stocks of Nifty. So, and I'm also trying to explain something to you, which I will make a point to explain to you at the end. So this is a stock of Nagarjuna Fertilizers. This is a yeah. So this is Great India Shipping, the sideways movement. Okay. This is called Unitech, part of Nifty. Sideways has already gone down and crashed. Okay. This is Vodafone, crashed. These are part of Nifty. This is Arvind Mills, just gone sideways and never made money for anyone. Okay. This is Bosch. Now Bosch has been going up, but if you see Bosch, for a long period of time, it has not made money. So in last 7 years, it has just not made money. It has gone sideways. Okay. This is Crane India, again gone sideways and down. Coal India never made money. Okay. Educom never made money. This is Golden Tobacco, never made money. This is India Bulls, never made money. Okay. Mahanagar Telephone, MTNL, never made money. These were a part of the Nifty stocks. So this myth that you should only invest into Nifty stocks does not hold any water, right? So when people say you should buy good quality companies and forget about it, bhul jao, does not work in the stock market. As much as you are picking up the largest stocks, you also need stock selection for you to be making money. If you're serious about making money, if you want to be like any other Joe on the street, then it's okay. You can go ahead and do whatever you need to do. But if you want to make serious amount of money, then the game is a little different, right? So these are all the stocks. By the way, I'm going to keep this presentation on YouTube. So if you want to have a look at it later, you can. Just pay attention to what I'm saying. So this is all the list of stocks which are included and excluded from Nifty. So which means that stock selection is extremely, extremely critical for you to make money in the stock market. Okay. So now here's the question. Question: if you don't build wealth and make money in the next 10 years, you've already lost a golden chance. I guarantee you. The best way to build wealth, and any person who's rich will tell you this, the best way to build wealth is by passive income, where you don't work, but your money works for you. Because you can only work for 12 hours a day, but money can work 24 hours a day or 365 days for the next 30 years without getting tired. You will get tired in 10 hours a day, but money works 24 hours a day. So the best way to make money, and all rich people get rich because they have their passive income working for them. And the most important, it is even better if somebody actually makes money for you. And even the best, when you can find somebody whom you can trust 10,000%. So if you can find somebody who can actually make money for you 10,000%, then it's actually a no-brainer. So next 5 years can and will change your life. So we are going to offer you 5 new products for the next 5 years, and that's why it's called as Big Five. And we are actually targeting doubling your money in the next 5 years and tripling your money in the next 8 years. Now, this is what our targets are. This is what we endeavor to do. This is what we sincerely want to do. Okay. For all practical purposes, we will beat this benchmark. It may also happen that it may not, but we've been managing funds for the last 4 years, and everyone who has come to us has made money. There is no one who has not made money from us. So if that is the benchmark, and if history has to tell you, and I have always and only made money in the stock markets, which I've been in the markets for 11 years in India now. So this is a very, very achievable target if you really think of it. Double your money in the next 5 years, triple your money in the next 8 years. So who is this product for? So I'm going to categorize it: who, what, why, how. So who is this for? This is basically for people who are investing into mutual funds, or who have this mindless SIPs, or people who have put their money into PMS or equity portfolio or fixed deposit. So this product is for that. Okay. Somebody who wants to make serious wealth in the next 3 years and more, but most importantly, without any stress, like zero stress. So this is for someone who who always feels that he wants to make money, he does not want to have stress, he does not want to have tension. He wants somebody else to take over, and you are living your life and somebody else is managing money for you. Somebody who's very serious about becoming wealthy and wants to stop wasting time. So, you want to play into the market, you can do that with small amount of money. But if you have monies where your son depends on you or your family depends on you, then leave it to somebody who manages it better than you. Okay. It is a fallacy in the world where you think that you are the best fund manager for your own self. You could be. Problem is that managing funds is a full-time job. Most people don't get it. To give you an example, you might be the best chef in the world. Okay, you might be the best chef in the world. I'm not denying that, but that does not mean that you are going to cook your own food for the rest of your life, right? You might be best chef in the world for somebody else, but when you come home, you would want somebody else to make food for you, or you would want to order from outside, or you would want somebody else who would give you food and give it to you on the table. So the question is not whether how competent you are, how much you know, how is your skill level. Question is, do you have the time and the bandwidth? Do you have the time and bandwidth to work for somebody else full time and manage your own wealth? If you're serious, if you still want to play around, continue doing that. If you don't make money, come back to us. If you're making money, continue doing it. There's no problem. Okay. This is for somebody who needs professional help, which is of dependable, reliable type, where people are highly skilled. Most importantly, they're very, very ethical. Okay. Understand, you are dealing with your money, and when you are dealing when this is your money, the most important is ethics and reliability and dependability. It's got nothing to do with whether somebody will make money for you or not. If you don't have a team where you can depend upon for ethics, for discipline, for professionality, for dependability, then you should not give it. Let me put it in this manner. Market is going to go up by 10 or 15 times in the next 15 years. I am assuming that your portfolios will at least run in crores in the next 3 or 5 years or 7 years. Hear me very carefully. Your portfolio will run into crores in the next 3 years or 5 years or 7 years or 10 years. Question is, do you actually know someone whom you can trust blindly to manage your portfolio and make returns for you? If you have that, go ahead. If not, come to us. Okay, so what is it? It's a ultra cheap but high quality PMS style portfolio, long only portfolio built for somebody to make wealth for the next 5 to 8 years. So it is a PMS style. It's not a PMS. It's a PMS style, high quality, cheap portfolio, which is a long only portfolio, which means it's a buy and a hold portfolio. The target again is 2x 5 years and 3x 8 years. That's the target. We are not guaranteeing you anything. Okay, there's no guarantee in the stock market. There could be possibility that you might lose money also, but the probability of you losing money with us is lot less than probability of losing money otherwise. Okay, this is our entry level product. Okay, this is our entry level product where the quality of the product is much higher than PMS, mutual funds, or SIP and fixed deposit. Okay, but it is lower than FMP and mid cap. So let me just kind of position it for you. This is an entry level product from us where the quality of the product, quality, I'm not even talking about the cost, the quality of the product is higher than PMS, mutual funds, SIP, but it is lower than FMP and mid cap. So if you already have a mid cap and FMP, this product might be not for you, because FMP and mid cap are the Rolls Royces that we have. Okay, but if you can't afford the Rolls Royces, this is probably the next best. So the cheaper Rolls Royce is a Mercedes. So this might be a Mercedes for you. So this is not targeted for people who already have an FMP and mid cap, because those are the best products which we can come up with and we'll ever come up with. This is the second best, but it offers higher than mutual funds or SIPs. Okay, why? Because mutual funds, PMS, SIPs, they promise a lot. There's a lot of advertisement goes on, and there's a lot of marketing goes on, and there's a lot of sales goes on, but it delivers a lot less. So it promises a lot, but it delivers a lot less at a higher cost. Okay, you will get a much better product and much more reliable product with higher returns at a lot less cost from Big Five. Okay, so what is this product? This product is where you hold only the performing stocks at the right price and positions in the portfolio. Okay, you are going to hold only the performing stocks at the right price and position in the portfolio. Okay, like when you're putting your money into mutual fund, when your money goes into the mutual fund, it goes into all the stocks they are investing in. Even if the stocks are not performing, you still invest into it. Okay, even if the stocks are downtrending and they believe in it, you will still invest into it. So you don't have a choice here. But here the choice is that we will invest only into the performing stocks at the right price and increase the returns while reducing your risk massively. So now how are we going to do it? So we will actively manage your portfolio. So we're going to take over your portfolio, manage your portfolio. Our skills, our experience, our reliability, our dependability, everybody knows of it. A lot of people have experienced it already. If you haven't, then maybe you might take some time for you to learn this. And most importantly, we are absolutely high on discipline. And the reason why we have massive discipline is because we are professional investors and traders ourselves. So we do this for our own self in any case. Okay. And since we do this for ourselves, we are just extending and giving it to you. So it's not that we are doing this for a salary. We manage our own portfolios, our own self, trade our own portfolios, our own self. This is just an extension. Okay. So what is the quality? Now let's talk about the quality. The quality of Big Five is going to be much higher than mutual funds. It's going to be much higher than an index fund. It is going to be much higher than a PMS, but it is going to be lower than a FMP and mid cap, which means this product is not for FMP and mid cap. We'll come to why. So on a costing level, it is lower than all the above. The cost of Big Five is going to be lower than all of the above. The risk is going to be lower than mutual funds, SIP or PMS. The performance is expected to be more higher than mutual fund, SIP or PMS. If you are very serious about making money, please expect 5 or 8 years of tenure for maximum profits and benefits. So if you really want to make big money and you're very serious about it, and if you are serious about it, if you're going to live for the next 45, 50 years of your life, I think 8 years to 10 years is something which you need to be serious about in money if you already are not. Okay, so see it from this point of view. If you want to live for the next 45 or 50 years and you want to make big money for the next 45 or 50 years, and you want to get into a position where you have crores of money into a equity portfolio and that makes money for you, then one, you need somebody whom you can depend on. You need to know a team whom you can depend upon, and you need to have a tenure of 8 to 10 years minimum. Okay, so be serious. Okay, so what is this? This is a highly customizable product, very high control, precision stock selection, precision price selection, amazing portfolio structure, lower risk, higher returns, unbelievably lower cost than the industry. Okay, so most importantly, we will hold only the right stocks at the right price in the right quantity in the right portfolio in the entire portfolio. Okay, so the way we're going to go about doing it is we are going to only choose the stocks if it is at the right price, in the right quantity, and in the right positions. We will not be touching the laggards at all. Okay, importantly, and this is what you need to know, no one, and I can guarantee you, no one offers these highly customizable products because of their highly personalized and maintenance needs. So this product is something which is highly personalized and it requires a lot of maintenance. So it cannot be offered by anyone because one, it is personalized, and two, it is high maintenance product. So there requires a lot of effort from our side to do this. That's why nobody will offer it to you. Forget about the costing. I'm not even talking about the costing. I'm just talking about somebody to offer the product, which also essentially means if we don't offer this product to you, really there is nobody in the market who can come anywhere close to offering a product like this. And if somebody does offer a product like this, you should take it in any case. Forget about the cost of it. Okay. So what is the product? Let's very quickly come to the product. So we will manage your portfolio end to end. Okay, and you get to choose the theme of your portfolio. Okay, you get to choose the theme of your portfolio. So either you can have the theme as Nifty, Nifty Next, Bank Nifty, Pharma, and the most important is the portfolio of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Okay, so you have 5 themes. You can say either I want Nifty, so you can choose either one of them, not all 5 of them, not all 2 of them, only one of them. So you say Nifty or Bank Nifty or Nifty 500, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty Next, or Pharma or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Okay, the last one is a little bit important one. Okay, now while you select any of these, so let's say you pick up a portfolio of Nifty Pharma. When you put the money into the account, okay, we will choose which stocks to buy, what quantity to buy, at what price to buy, okay, which stocks not to buy, and we'll deploy them for you. Okay, so let me just explain as I go forward in the slides. You will get to know. Okay, so we will select the right stocks at the right price with the right composition, with the right and adequate position size for you at that point of time. Now let's have a look at Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's portfolio. So this is a portfolio, the entire portfolio of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. We just kind of X-rayed the portfolio. Okay. Now, if you say that, oh, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is an amazing stock selection, great. Let's have a look at it. Okay. This is by the way, this is all done by Veda. So, and you should know that the reason why we are very serious, or I'm very serious about this product, is because the back-end engine of this product has been done by Ved so far. Okay, so all this work which you see, including the stock selection and all the groupings and all that, has been done by Mr. Ved Poddar. And you should know that when I am getting my son into it, then I'm damn serious. Or my son's into it, then I'm serious. So this is, I'm going to show you some stocks of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Let's have a look. So this is Agrotech. Just have a look at the trends and just have a look at how the stocks have been performing. Okay, and then we'll come to a conclusion. So this is the Anant Raj Industries. Then this is Aptech. Then this is Autoline Industries. Then this is Billcare. Then this is Crystal. This is DB Reality. This is Delta Corp. Uh, this is Divan Housing. Okay, this is Dishman. This is Edelweiss. So you can see that all the stocks of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala have not been performing. Okay, all the stocks of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala have not been performing, which means if he has been investing into about 30 or 40 stocks, okay, out of that only 10 stocks have been performing, the rest 20 or 30 stocks have been going sideways or have been going down. So if you are a great fan of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, you want to replicate his portfolio, the way I would express this to you is, okay, let Rakesh decide which stock to invest in. Okay, we will decide whether we want to invest into it and at what price you want to invest into it. Give you an example. Let's say if you give us 1 lakh rupees into your account and you give it to us today. Okay. Now, out of all the universe of the stock that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has, only 5 stocks today would be worth investing into. Okay. Today. Okay. Would be investing into. The rest 25 stocks have got no meaning out of the 30 stocks. So we will choose those 5 stocks for you today, deploy the funds in those 5 stocks for you today, and we will not even touch the next 25 stocks, which means out of the universe of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, you get only the best stocks which make sense today. Are you understanding? So let him choose what stocks. We will choose whether that stocks make any sense today and what price you want to invest into. Clear? So let's move ahead. So let me quickly give you a little bit of speciality of Big Five. So what is the Big Five? 5 different themes: Nifty, Bank, sorry, Nifty 50, Nifty Next, Bank Nifty, Bank Pharma, and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. So I have, kind of siloed them according to volatility, growth, risk, lump sum, and time frame. So on a volatility level, Nifty 50 would be low to mid volatile. Nifty Next would be slightly higher volatile. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is going to be a mid cyclical volatility. Okay, growth is going to be, this is the growth column, so you guys can have a look at it yourself. Again, I will put up the presentation for you guys through the video, so you can stop it and you can have a look at it. Okay, and the time frame which is required by all of it. If you want to put what is the risk parameters from Nifty 50, it's a moderate risk. Nifty Next is higher risk. Bank Nifty is higher risk. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is higher risk because it's a cyclical portfolio. Okay, so you can go ahead and look at the comparisons of this later. Okay, now, so you can decide which index you want to be playing on depending on different people's needs. Okay, it's a perfect substitute to mutual funds. Okay, now the difference between mutual funds and this is when you put your money into mutual funds, one mutual fund has a compulsion that they have to deploy the entire amount of money today itself. They cannot hold the money in cash. Number two, whatever stocks they have. So if they have 100 stocks in their portfolio, that entire money of yours gets split into 100 stocks. So even if it is a losing stock, your money still goes into a losing stock. So there you go. With this, we will only put money into the stocks which are making sense today at the right price at the right portions. So you are completely excluding. To give you an example, if you have to choose 11 players for cricket from India, you get to choose those 11 players which are in top form today. Okay, so if you might have Virat Kohli and today he is not in top form, we may not select him at all. And you can do that for the global player. So if you have to form the best cricket team in the world, okay, you can choose any cricketer from any part of the world. Depending on his form today, you can pick up those 11. So this is exactly what we are going to do for you. Okay. So let me explain to you how this is going to be done. As and when the funds are available in your account, we will choose the stocks for you. Okay. We do everything. You relax, most importantly. And we will be picking up only ones which are performing at that point of time. Right. So rather than mindlessly buying the entire portfolio or entire index, including the losing stocks, we will just pick up the best ones for you. Okay. So how does this, 11 steps? Okay. Simple steps. Okay. You assign us a demat account. So you give us a demat account, whatever demat account that you have. Okay, share your demat account password. So you can open a demat account with any broker. If you have your existing one, that also you can transfer to us. Okay, you share your demat details over the secrets with us. Okay, transfer the money into your demat account, not to my account, but into the demat account. Transfer as the fees into the accounts that we tell you. Okay, you choose which of the big five do you want. Do you want Nifty 50, Nifty Next, Bank Nifty, Pharma, or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, whatever you want. Okay, and if you have any previous stocks, then we will recheck it for you if you need to. If you don't need to, we will not do it for you. If you have it, we will just kind of manage it for you, and we will stabilize it for you, so you can basically completely start your portfolio again. Okay. If you want liquidate the existing mutual funds, you have existing mutual funds, you can liquidate them because it's of no use. This portfolio will be giving you much higher returns than mutual funds. So holding a lower ranking product is of no use. So you can liquidate your entire mutual funds and transfer the money here. And then you relax. You have a coffee, you have a beer, do whatever you want to do. You want to go and watch a movie. You want to go and harass your neighbor's dog. You can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Okay, you can keep on periodically adding funds into your account like an SIP. Okay, so you have two choices: either put lump sum, steadily put some amount of money every month or 2 months, or you can do an SIP, or you can do ad hoc. So 6 months down the line, let's say if you get a great bonus, you can call up your wife and say, you know what, I am very happy today because I've got a great bonus and I'm not going to buy you anything, but I'm going to put it into Big Five because mine and your future depends on it, and you can put your money here. Okay, and prompt us once you're done, and then we will manage it. And that's really it. So 11 cool steps for you to become rich. Is SIP possible? Very much possible. Can you add extra funds anytime? Yes, you can. Okay, anytime you do that, we will choose the best stocks from the theme that you have chosen. It is a long only portfolio. It's not a trading portfolio, which means it is a buy and a hold. We will not keep on buying and selling. The only time we will exit is when we feel that a certain stock is going not performing the way it's supposed to be, or we have in retrospect made an error, because it happens. We are humans, so it could also be possible that we would make an error in retrospect. We can always look back and say I made a mistake, or we invested and then something news came out and we it's into trouble and we will exit. That is only time we are going to exit the portfolio. No futures and options added for in this, so you be relaxed. Okay, what is included? You deploy the funds in the next 7 days. Okay, ideally in the next 2 days, but sometimes we would, for your benefit. So everything we do is for your benefit. Okay, we might extend it till 7 days max, not more than that. Okay, most importantly, we will not give you an explanation of what we are doing, how we are doing, why we are doing. Okay, it's a discretionary portfolio. So if you need us to give you explanation, this product might be not be for you. We may not manage it for you at all. Okay, this is for entry level investors who are having smaller portfolios. Okay, you get to choose your own demat account and your broker. You can exit and liquidate this portfolio any point of time. There is no lock-in period. So if you invest into with us today and you say that tomorrow, I don't like the way the sky looks, I want to exit the portfolio. Well, you can. There is no, there is no lock-in period like mutual funds or otherwise. Okay. Uh, any amount is possible, so you can choose what amount you want to invest into. There are five portfolios for offer. You can switch between the five portfolios once. Okay, once free of cost. In once a year, you can switch it once. If you want to switch it more, like, which means that you have invested into a portfolio of Nifty 50, and after the 9 months you say no, I think I'm in love with Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and his family and his dog, so I want to switch to Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. We'll allow you one free switch. Okay, this is initially. Maybe we might change the rules later. If you want to do it multiple number of times, there is a small fee for it. You pay us the fees. You can keep on switching as much. You can keep on doing whatever you want to do. It's your money, right? Okay. We will not take undue risk. Okay. So switching once in a year is free. Multiple switches is for a fee. Okay. Now, what is omissions? Most important. So what is inclusions? What is omissions? So this is inclusions. What is included? This is included. But what is omitted? Omitted is that we will not actively manage cash and stock inter-deployment, meaning to say that when you have some money and you, like in FMP or mid-cap, okay, this is what we do for FMP or mid-cap. You give us 1 crore rupees, and today I don't see an opportunity for 1 crore rupees. We actually move that funds into a liquid fund, and we can sit onto that liquid fund for 3 months or 4 months or 2 months. For some clients, we have started for 5 months because I didn't see an opportunity for 5 months. The portfolio was big and it was sideways moving like for last since the month of December to April, 4 months it has just been going sideways. You've not deployed it, okay? But we are still making money by we are putting into liquid fund. So that is called as active cash management and inter-deployment of stocks. So that is what we do for an FMP. That is what we do for mid cap. We will not do it for this. You give us the money, maximum we will hold it for 7 days. During 7 days, we will deploy it. Okay, so the in mutual funds, it has to be deployed in the same day. In index funds, it has to be deployed in the same day. So even if the market is at the wrong time and it is at the highest point, mutual funds will still deploy it. For FMP, we may not deploy it, but for this, either we'll deploy it in 2 days' time or 7 days' time. I hope you get this. Okay, so there will be no active cash management here. We will deploy the funds as and when the funds are available. Basically, it's an ultra active market timing and asset management will not be done by us. Okay, so it is higher than mutual funds, higher than PMS, but lower than FMPs and lower than mid cap funds. Basically, will only be only in the active. So we will only do it in the theme that you have selected. Okay, no aggressive shuffling of the portfolio. Okay. So let's quickly have a look at it. I've just made some tables. You can always pause it and have a look at it later. This table represents what is the hierarchy. So if you want on a returns parameters, FMP is the highest. Okay, so if you want the highest return and the lowest risk, you need to get into an FMP or a mid cap. Okay, if you the next best is big five. After that comes PMS. After that comes mutual funds. After that comes index. So on a return basis, FMP is the highest, index is the lowest. On the risk basis, FMP is the lowest, index fund is the highest. On the cost basis, FMP is mid, index is the lowest. So if you basically want to go lowest, index fund is for you. But if you want to go, if you want PMS, it is very high. So PMS offers very high returns. Cost, next is mutual funds. Big five is low, FMP is mid, and controls is the highest. So most important is control. How much control does your fund manager have, or how much control do you have? Because most importantly, as far as managing money is the control. Okay, so the highest is an FMP, the next is big five. Again, so this is again risk, return, control, and cost from highest to lowest. FMP being the highest. So returns is FMP is the highest. Lowest is index. Risk is index is the highest. FMP is the lowest, and so it goes on. From the from the cost point of view, if you guys are cost sensitive, and you should not be, PMS is the highest cost, index is the lowest cost, FMP is a mid cost, mutual fund is higher than FMP and big five. Okay. From a point of view of returns compared to index, okay, Nifty, the big five. So this is about the big five now, only big five. So from a big five perspective, Nifty 50 is going to be much higher than the index. Okay. And this is all much higher than the index. The returns are going to be much higher than the index. Okay. The returns for mutual funds are going to be higher. Returns than PMS are going to be higher. Returns compared to FMP are going to be lower. So for all the big five, returns compared to any other instrument is going to be higher but lower than FMP. Okay. Let's go further up. And this is a comparison of big five vis-a-vis to index, mutual fund and all. So big five compared to an index is much lower. Risk compared to mutual fund is much lower. Okay, risk compared to SIP is much lower. Risk compared to an FMP is much higher. So if you ask me, the risk compared to FMP is much higher, but is lower than everybody else. Okay. Again, further up, again big five compared to index. So the control, how much you feel in control of this product. So on a control basis, compared to an FMP, it is lower, but control compared to every other product is much higher, because We can actually choose which stocks to put it into. We can actually choose when we want to invest, either today or tomorrow or next 5 days, or whether we tell you actually that you don't put your money right now. That is also a very high possibility. So it's not that you have to be putting money. We are known to guide people because we really want people to make money. So mutual fund guys will not tell you that. Okay. So now compared to an index, what is cost compared to index? A lot of people like costing, right, to find out kitne ka hai, kitna deta hai. So cost of an index is about 0.75. Cost of a mutual fund comes to anywhere between 2.5 to 2.75. Okay, that is the cost of a mutual fund. Mutual fund SIP again 2.5 to 2.75. Okay, PMS is 4.5%, by the way. So if you are putting your money into PMS, and this is a PMS style portfolio. So this is the styling of the portfolio management is very close to a PMS. Okay, and the costing of about 4.5%. And FMP is also a PMS. Okay, FMP cost about 1.25% over a period of time. So if you have more than a portfolio of more than 15, 16 lakh rupees, then FMP comes to actually 1.25% only. So it is much lower than PMS. It is higher than FMP. Okay. Uh, so it is sorry, it is lower than FMP, and it is lower than mutual funds and all that. So it is much lower than the PMS. Okay. So hierarchy. If you want to ask me about what is the hierarchy, if you really have the money and if you really have very serious about making money, then you need to go into FMP or mid cap. If you don't have those products, then you go for big five. If you don't have them, go for PMS, then mutual funds, index funds, and FD. So this is the hierarchy for you from you getting a return. Now let me just put this across to you for all the people who always crib and cry. Most people don't crib and cry to me about cost, but I want to say it anyway. I would rather pay 2% returns, 2% to a fund manager to get 15%, and 3% to a fund manager to get 25%, then pay 1% to a fund manager to get only 5%. Let me say this again to you. I would rather pay 2% to a fund manager to get 15%, 3% fund manager to get 25%, then pay only 1% to a fund manager to get only 5%. So please use a little bit of your intelligence and your uh, financial acumen, and don't get so bogged down by cost. Rather, figure out how much you're going to get back in return. Okay. So what is our contribution? Our contribution is we will tell you what to buy. We will not tell you. We will actually do what to buy, when to buy it, how much to buy it, how long to hold it, and when to exit. So these are the 5 things which are going to make money for you and help you not lose money. 5 things: what to buy, when to buy, how much to buy, how long to hold, and when to exit. And these are the only 5 things required by you to make big amount of money. Okay. So questions we'll take it later. So again, here's what I want to say. If you promise to add funds and build up your capital for your benefit, we promise to do our best to get you exceptional returns. Now let me talk about the charges, because I think before the questions come the charges. The charges are fairly straightforward. Till the portfolio of 8 lakh rupees, we are going to charge you blanket 20,000 rupees. So you give me 1 lakh rupees, I'll charge you 20. 2 lakh rupees, I'll charge you 20. 7 lakh rupees, I'll charge you 20. 8 lakh rupees, we'll still charge you 20,000 per annum. So every annum. So next year, this year you pay me 20,000. Next year you pay me 20,000. Okay, you can start with 1 lakh rupees. Every year, every month you put 1 lakh rupees till 8 lakh rupees, we'll still charge you 20,000. Anything about 20,000 rupees will be charged at 2%. So you give us a portfolio of 9 lakh rupees. First 8 lakh rupees will charge you 20,000 rupees. 1 lakh rupees will charge you 2% extra on it. So it will become 22,000. Yeah. These are just the introductory pricing. Okay. So this is not permanent. This is just the introductory pricing. This is just when we are introducing this product. We may change this later. Okay. But from a history, everybody knows that we don't charge more than what is required. We are we are much lower than most of the people in the market. So even if we do increase these charges, uh, they are not going to be exorbitant. It's just going to reflect the amount of hard work that we do for you. Okay. So again, let me put this again for you. Till 8 lakh rupees, 20,000 rupees. Okay. Anything above 8 lakh rupees is 2%. Okay. If you put money in the middle of the year, let's say you give us 8 lakh rupees right now, so you give us 20,000 rupees, we manage it for you. 6 months down the line, you add another 8 lakh rupees, we will charge you 2% pro rata, which means we will charge you 2% for the remaining of 6 months only, which basically means 1% for the year. Okay, and that will be recalculated every end of the year, which means for till this year is 2% and whatever that you have 20,000. After next year, the pricing will be on the entire portfolio that we manage. Now, the important thing to remember is before you start cribbing, if some of you feel like cribbing, remember 1 to 1.5% comes back to you in dividend, which means the amount of money which you actually pay us is lot lesser. You put your money into mutual funds, you don't get dividends. You put your money into fixed deposit, you don't get dividends. You put your money into index funds, you don't get dividends. Okay, you put your money into PMS, you don't get dividends. This is the only product where you are going to get dividends into your account, and the dividends is going to be anywhere between 1 to 1.5%, which means for all practical purposes, the charges for you is less than 1%. Okay, this is what the charges are. Now let's come back to questions. Now I want to ask you a question. Any questions, queries, doubts, anything that you want to ask me, you can write in now. Any questions, any doubts, queries? Bhavin, Ashar, sir, one question: why Nifty ETF exists in the market when there are stocks which are part of the Nifty? Bhavin, I can answer you this question, but it's not in this purview. Why Nifty exists, I have no idea. There are people who produce products. अभी उनको जाके पूछना पड़ेगा कि why do they exist, right? So it's it's not a purview of this presentation. Pratik Babal says, can a non-IMS member can be a part of this? Yes, non-IMS member can be a part of this, provided it is introduced by IMS member. Again, while we talk about all of this, it is strictly by invitation only. Okay, so you can apply for it. If we don't want to give it to you, we will not give it to you. So please get this very clearly. It is by invitation only. We are not hungry for fees. We are not hungry for you to give us money. We actually don't need it. Okay, so you may apply for it, but if you don't, for whatever reasons, we don't feel comfortable with you, we don't feel that we want to work with you, we may not take your portfolio. And believe me, we are already clear in our head that if we don't take it for you, you have no option, because there is no one who's going to give you this kind of portfolio or product ever. So yeah, if you want, you can introduce. That is one-off basis, but we are not going out in the market and asking people to give us money. Okay, Pratik, you got that question answer? All right. Do we have an option of opting out of CP's portfolio? Do we have an option of opting out of CP's portfolio? Well, there you go. We have an FMP. So Jayesh Mehtani, if you want to really dip inside what kind of portfolios that I manage for my own self and how I make money, well, you have an FMP and a mid cap fund for you. You can be a part of it, right? Yeah. Any other questions that anybody has? Any other questions that you have asked me but I didn't answer? So, okay, so here's what it is. Will you help me to opt for which options to offer? You can have a conversation with us and we can help you depending on what kind of what you are looking at, because all these five stocks, all these big five are catered for people having a different mindset. So somebody, again, if you want to really look at it from this perspective, this is where you need to go. Okay. Okay, so this is where this would help you if I have to go back into this thing. So if you want to choose which one, either you can talk to us and we'll help you to select depending on what is your profile and what is your psychological profile and your build, or you can refer to this table saying the volatility. is going to be low. So if you want a low volatile, then go for Nifty 50. If you want cyclical kind of product, then go for Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. If you want high volatility and cyclical nature, then go for mid cap, Bank Nifty. If you want very high returns, but you want it cyclical, then I'm talking purely from a volatility. Then you go for Nifty Pharma. Growth, again, Bank Nifty and Nifty Pharma will give you high growth. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala will give you mixed growth. High growth is Bank Nifty and Nifty Pharma, but they are going to be cyclical. Okay. If you want steady growth, then go for Nifty 50. Okay. Again, it comes from time frame. If you are of that guy who wants to jump around and is very jumpy and you want to do it for 1 or 2 years, then these products are not for you. Just stick to mutual funds or fixed deposit. But yeah, if you want longer play, like really long play, then go for Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's portfolio or go for Bank Nifty or Bank Pharma. If you want steady growth, then go for Nifty 50 or Nifty Next. Yeah. Any other questions? So Farzana will say will be number within the. So Farzana is asking. Wait, let me just go by chronology. Can we go through SIP every month with fixed amount? Umesh Sate says, can we do an SIP every month with fixed? Yeah, you can do it, no problem. You can absolutely do an SIP. So this is a absolutely classic product for which is a substitute for mutual funds and SIP. I mean, it gives you everything that a mutual fund and SIP gives at a lot lower cost, at a lot higher quality. So you can substitute for a SIP, you can substitute for a mutual fund, you can substitute for fixed deposits, you can substitute for you trying to figure out what to do in the market, you can substitute for your broker, I don't know, and it will give you everything that all these products and more. So yeah, you can use an SIP. Rohit Charan is asking what amount monthly SIP, or as you can start with something on intraday. Rohit Charan is saying, what's the minimum monthly SIP? Also, what? Okay, so I'm not going to answer what is not required here. What is the minimum SIP amount? Again, like I said, the pricing is very simple. For till 8 lakh rupees, till 8 lakh rupees of your portfolio, we're going to charge you 20,000 rupees. Okay. So if you say you want to do an SIP of 500 rupees a month, good, you can do that. We have no problem. If you can choose whatever you want to choose, right? When there will be a number of stock limit within the portfolio, will there be a number of stocks limit within the portfolio? There won't be a number of limit to the stocks. The stocks will be determined by self-selection, in the sense that that stock has to show me that it has got value to be bought. That stock has to tell me that it is giving me a good pricing. Okay, so sometimes we might select. So let's say if you're putting 1 lakh rupees every month, sometimes you would put it only into 3 stocks. Sometimes you might put into 10 stocks. Sometimes you might put into 5 stocks. Now, that stock has to tell me that it needs to be bought, because if it is got it does not need to be it does not tell me that it needs to be bought, then we are not going to buy it at all. Clear? So Farzan, have you got your answer? And it obviously depends on our point of view, right? Now Umesh Sade's question is, even while SIP is it on us, we can add lump sum amount also? Yeah, so Umesh, you can add lump sum, you can add SIP, you can have lump sum and SIP, you can do whatever you feel like. Okay, you can do whatever you feel like. But again, let me tell you, this portfolio is meant for people who have less than 12 lakh rupees or so of investing. If you have anything 10 or 12 lakh rupees of investing, get into Big Five. If you have more than 10 or 12 lakh rupees of investing, please get directly into FMP. You will not regret, because what you get out of FMP is lot more at lot less than even Big Five. Are you understanding? So if you're looking at FMPs or whatever, ideally you should only go for FMP or mid cap. Mid cap also, it's not for everybody. So unless and until we are confident with you, we'll not offer you mid cap. So you might want it from us, but if we are not confident of you, we may not offer you mid cap at all. We might just offer you an FMP. Again, please understand, all the products that we have, it is by invitation only, and it is our comfort level with you. If we are not comfortable with you, we will not offer those products for you. We are very clear about it. Okay, so this is what it is. Yeah, so you can do your lump sum, you can do your ad hoc one time, you can do your SIP, you can do all three of them together. Yeah. Any other questions? All right. So if you don't have any questions, here's what you need to do. Okay. Here's what you need to do. If you this is for you, this is exciting you, this is would help you very quickly. Quickly WhatsApp to Bharat Lal on these two numbers or WhatsApp to me on this number and tell us that you want Big Five and tell us that you need to speak to us so that we can guide you which Big Five to go for so that it helps you. But again, this is the introductory pricing that we are keeping. For sure, we are going to increase it because the amount of hard work that goes inside this is tremendous. You have no idea. The amount of calculations which go on is tremendous. You have no idea. Last 1 year has been a bull market. Everybody's made money. The next 10 years are not going to be as easy. Okay, so just because you made money in last 6 months, 7 months is okay. It's a different ball game. Next 10 years is going to be another thing. Again, like the question you need to ask yourself: in the next 5 years, if you're going to have at least 3 or 5 crores, do you know someone whom you can depend on to manage money for you with trust? If you know, go with that guy. If not, come to us. All right. So with this, if you don't have any questions, uh, quickly WhatsApp to Bharatlal on these two numbers or WhatsApp to me saying I want Big Five and we will talk to you tomorrow and we'll help you out. And with this, I'm going to stop this presentation. Thank you so much. Uh, yeah, thank you so much. I know FMP and midcaps are the best. Yeah, yeah. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye and good night. If you still need to speak to me, if you still are confused, you can always call me up tomorrow and talk to me. And we'll be able to give you an answer. All right. Goodbye and good night. Vidhu? So here is the guy who's been the back end of it and has helped in structuring the product. So he's been doing a lot of hard work and he's going to be continue to do all the hard work here. All right. Goodbye.